What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for checking out, and please be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. If you're a current subscriber, thanks for checking this video out, and make sure you hit the like button. All right, today is the new year, first day of 2023, and we're going to be working on the XJ. We're going to install a fan override switch on it. There's several videos out on this. Actually, there's a few of them, quite a few of them. You can buy like the kit from, say, K Suspension. It's kind of a plug and play. You just run the wires and run the switch and go at it and hook it up. There's some other ones like from maybe Out Jeepin', who shows you how to wire it all up, including the relay and the switch. For me, I'm gonna hook mine straight to the Rough Country MLC6 box. I got the switches inside, so we're just gonna run it right to that and run it to one of those switches. It's fairly easy. I mean, it's not hard to do either way you go. For me, I just need some wire, a couple little quick splices or vampire clips, whatever you want to call them, a flathead, a Phillips head, some wire cutters and strippers and channel locks. That's about all the tools I'm going to need for this. And so let's get started. All right, so for 97 to 2002, you're going to want to tie into your electric fan. You can either tie into it through the fan side or through the Cherokee or XJ side, whatever side you choose. I'm going fan side. I don't know why, just because that's what I want to do. And my wires are already kind of mangled up right here, so we're just going to tie right into that. So like I said, for 97 to 2001, you're going to have a blue and a black wire. Obviously your black's going to be so-called negative and your blue's going to be hot. So I think for 96 and older, your blue wire is going to be green, so you'll have a black and a green wire. And so like I said, I'm just going to tie into what I currently have here, which is kind of a mess for right now, but for video's sake, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to untape these, and we'll start with the black wire first. So with these little vampire clips or whatever, quick splices, there's not the ones I really prefer to use. I like I guess they're called T-tap ones, I guess is what they're called. Those are the ones I like, but I don't have those right this second. So you just slide it on your wire. Slide your wire in. Take your other wire, slide it into the side of it. Kind of like this. I'm trying to route it a certain way so they're not interfering with each other. Once you have that, take the little metal splice part and you stick it down in there if you can get it. Like that. Take your channel locks. And just pinch it down. Just like that. And clip it shut. And do the same thing for the hot side. Try leaving a little metal piece in there this time. Actually, I gotta pull it out because the wire won't slide in there with it. Just like that. Now I'm gonna wrap this up with some tape in a little while, but right now we're gonna run our wires where we want them. Actually, first off, we're gonna put some ends on them. Scratch that. We're gonna run the wires first. So choose how you want to run them. I'm gonna try to follow the rest of the harness we got going on here. All right, so now that we got our wire ran to where we want to the MLC box here, take it off, set it out the way. As you can see, this has fuses and relays, so I don't need to put a relay in. So what I'm gonna do is pull this wire back out to right here so I can get to it a little better. And we're gonna add some ends and heat shrink to it. Slide the heat shrink on. Get your splicers. Peel back a little bit of the insulation. That's probably good. Give it a little twist. Hopefully you can get the wire to go up through there. Like so. Give it a little crimp. Pull your heat shrink up and see if I don't have a little torch, so we gotta do it, hopefully do it with the lighter here. All right. Repeat for the other one. All right. And we're gonna feed it back under the box. I'm gonna go around the other side over here. Grab my flathead screwdriver. Try to lean up in here, hopefully, without busting my butt. We're gonna hook it to this box. I left it a little bit long in case I gotta change my routing over here, which I shouldn't have to. But unscrew one of those little spade clips, probably, or not spade clips, but the little clips with the fork in it probably be better. But like I said, this is just what I got on hand, and it won't fit. All right, so we got to do some modification to that. Grab my pliers. See if we can pinch it flat a little bit. Let's try that. Nope, almost. Almost. All right, that should work. All right. Now that we got that on, we'll plug the fan back in. Like that. Put this back on. Hopefully, when I hit the switch, that will come on. All right, so that's that. Pretty easy to do, like either way you go. So yeah, just choose your method if you're interested in doing that. If you want, unless you got the MLC6 box, most likely you're going to go either a plug and play kit or wire it up yourself, far as with the relay and whatnot. And hope this video helped somebody. Hope y'all like and subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And I hope you have a great new year, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.